In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit 12 3.5 by 2-inch business cards on one letter-sized sheet in Microsoft Word for printing purposes. This is a great way to maximize space and make the most of each page when printing your own business cards. So let's get started. First, open a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Once you're in the document, head to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. In the Page Setup section, click on Orientation and choose Landscape. This will give you a wider layout to fit more cards across the page. Next, click on Margins in the same Layout tab and then select Custom Margins. In the pop-up window, set all 4 margins, top, bottom, left, and right, to 0.2 inches. This will give you more space on the page to work with, which is important for fitting all 12 cards. Now it's time to insert your business card. Go to the Insert tab at the top and click on Pictures. Choose This Device and locate the image of your business card. Once you select it, click Insert and the card will appear in your document. You'll now need to resize the business card. Click on the image to select it and you'll see a ruler at the top of the document. Use this ruler to resize the business card to exactly 3.5 inches in width. This is the standard size for a business card and it's important to get the dimensions right. Once your business card is the correct size, go to the Home tab and click Copy. Then click Paste to duplicate the card. Paste it again until you have 12 business cards on your page. You could arrange them in rows and columns to ensure they fit neatly on the letter-sized sheet. After everything looks good, you're ready to print. Just make sure your printer settings are set for letter-sized paper and then print your sheet of business cards. Afterward, carefully cut them out and you'll have a full set of business cards ready to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.